this video, I'll demonstrate how to change your Windows password. There are a couple ways to change it. If you're working in a corporate environment and you're connected to a network, then obviously you change the password through the tools that the IT department has set up for you. However, in most cases, even if it's a network account, you can change your Windows password by simply pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete in your computer, and then a prompt like this will come up, and then you can click here on Change Password, and then you can put in your old password, the new password, and confirm the new password as well. And this is the quickest and easiest way to change the password. The other options are also under the search. If we go here to search and then change password, you have more clicks that are involved in this step through this procedure, but you'd still reach to the same conclusion.